Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a full page modal using a video element. So when a button is clicked, the video modal will pop up on screen. In this demonstration I'm actually using the Bootstrap framework as indicated by the purple dots up along the top. So because it's Bootstrap, that means that our slider does need to be all the way at the lowest breakpoint for adding default styles. But instead I'm going to disable the breakpoints. This way I can work on a larger view, plus it allows you to see more of the canvas. Now from the content pane, I'm going to go and add a container element. You can click to add it in, or you can just drag and drop it right onto the canvas. This is going to be the what we're going to have is the modal. Since it's going to be a video element, I'm going to drag and drop the video platform element into it, since this is going to be the item that pops up on screen. From the element pane, I find it easier to be able to select my elements. I'm going to choose the video platform and paste in my Vimeo link so that it pulls in the source. Next, select the parent container that the video element is sitting in, and I'm going to give it a special ID name. In this case, I'm going to label it Video Demo. Finally, I'm going to give it the class name Modal. And now it's gone. It's disappeared on the screen. Next up is the trigger, which is going to be this button. To make it be able to call up that hidden modal, I'm going to the element pane, and if I scroll down to the selected element properties under attributes, I'm going to pull up the attribute data toggle, and for the value I'm going to enter modal so it knows which item I'm trying to get it to call. Next, I'm going to add one more attribute. This time it's going to be the data target, and as the value I'm going to use the ID name #video demo. This way the button knows to pull up the video demo ID, that container, when clicked. So now let's go ahead and preview that in our browser. Okay, here we go. So we have the web page is loaded, and I'm going to click this button, the Meet the Artist, and boom, that video automatically gets pulled in. I don't have it set to autoplay, so I'll click the button. That video will now start playing over the web page itself. And you can just click anywhere outside of it to close that window.